Hey, what is up guys, my name is Zayd and you're watching GeekyZayd. So guys, today in this video we will be unboxing the 4K Ultra HD streaming player, which is the Mi 4K box. So guys, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and never forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest video upload notification. So guys, come on, let's start unboxing. Guys, come on, let's start the unboxing of the Mi Box 4K. So before starting the unboxing, we'll look throughout the box. It shows it has Chromecast built in and 4K Ultra HD, I hope. Yes, now we are able to see, and it is having Google Assistance also. And this is how the box of the Mi Box 4K looks like, and it shows many other video streaming applications over here. Coming to the side of the box, it shows what's included in the box. In this box we will be having a Mi Box and Bluetooth voice remote, HDMI cable and power adapter. Next, moving on to the back side of the box, the MRP of Mi Box 4K is 4,999 inclusive of all taxes. So inside the box we'll be able to have Mi Box 1 unit, remote 1 unit and HDMI cable with user guide. So guys, the color of the Mi Box 4K is black. And come on, let's start unboxing the Mi Box 4K. It does have a seal over here. This is what the Mi Box looks like. This is the Mi Box, and these. Yeah, and I hope you're able to see this now. This port is for power. This port is for power. And this is for USB port, and this is for HDMI, and this is for audio out and SPDIF. So this is what the Mi Box looks like. And next, going to this is the user manual. This is what's inside the box, and installation guide. So this is what I told you now, and this is the installation guidelines. So next, this is the power adapter for the Mi Box 4K. This is the power adapter, and next is the cable over here, and HDMI cable, and we will be opening this one too. So this is, we get caps for the adapter so that it won't be damaged, or yes, this is the cable for the Mi Box. Next, moving on to the remote of the Mi Box. It is a very small box, and we are going to unbox this one too. This is what the remote of Mi Box looks like. And yes, this is the remote. It shows Netflix and Amazon. These plus minus is for
increasing the volume and reducing the volume. This is for menu, this is back button, and this is the Google Assistance option. This is power on and power off. This is what the remote of Mi Box looks like, and this remote is Bluetooth enabled. So this is the Mi Box unboxing, and I'll be telling you the specifications right now. So guys, talking about the dimensions of the Mi Box 4K, length and width of the Mi Box 4K are same, which is 9.52 centimeter. Next is the thickness of the Mi Box 4K. It is having 1.67 centimeter. Next is the weight of the Mi Box 4K. It is a very lightweight streaming box, which is just 148 grams. We will not be able to feel that we are holding a video streaming box. Next, moving on to the specifications of the Mi Box. The output resolution of the Mi Box 4K is 4K and 1080p and 720p, 480p up to 60 Hz. Next is the GPU of the Mi Box 4K. It is having a Mali 450 up to 750 MHz. Next is the CPU of the Mi Box 4K. It is having a Cortex A53 quad-core 64-bit CPU. Next is the RAM and storage of the Mi Box. It is having a 2 GB DDR3 RAM and 8 GB eMMC storage. Next is the operating system of the Mi Box 4K. It is having Android TV version 9. Next section of the Mi Box 4K, it is the wireless connectivity. It supports Wi-Fi of both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. That is a interesting feature in the Mi Box. Next is the Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth 4.2 as the wireless connectivity. Next is the video formats which supports in the Mi Box is RM, MOV, VOV, AVI and etc. All types of video formats is supported, and audio decoder in the Mi Box is Dolby and DTS. Next is the socket. It is the HDMI 2 OB/1 and USB 2.0. Next is the power interface, and this is the audio out socket. Next is the overview of the Mi Box 4K. Mi Box 4K is an Ultra HD streaming player, and it supports 4K with HDR10. It also has the audio of Dolby plus DTS 2.0 as a digital out, and has the 2.0 GHz quad-core 64-bit processor also in the Mi Box 4K. Next, it supports Google Assistant's voice search. It is there in the remote of the Mi Box 4K. This is the Google Assistant voice remote. Next, it has Chromecast Ultra built-in. It has built-in Chromecast as it shows on the box of the Mi Box 4K. Coming to the setup of the Mi Box 4K, it is very simple. It is just a 3-step setup. First is the connect Mi Box to the TV with the HDMI cable which is provided in the box, and next connect to the internet, which is the Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi, and the third step is start streaming. It is a very easy setup. It is a 3-step easy setup, and this is the specifications of the Mi Box 4K, which is the 4K HD Ultra streaming box.
So guys, this is much about today's video. If you like this unboxing video, this is the third unboxing video in my channel, and I'll have the links of the previous unboxing videos in the description, so please do check out the description to get the unboxing videos of my channel. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, like the video, share the videos, and never forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest video upload notification. So guys, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Bye bye.